Most people think the best way to study for the SBB ASCP Specialist in Blood Banking exam is to read every textbook cover to cover. That's actually the fastest way to waste time and still fail. The real secret isn't about studying more. It's about studying smarter with strategies that lock in memory and sharpen your problem-solving skills. Stay with me, because in this video, I'll share the best way to study for the SBB ASCP exam so you can walk into test day confident and ready. Welcome to MLSIAcademy, the global leader in ASCP certification prep. This channel is built for lab professionals chasing ASCP success. And today, we're breaking down the best way to study for the SBB ASCP exam using proven strategies that work in the real world. Let's get started. The first step in the best way to study for the SBB ASCP exam is active recall. Passive reading won't cut it. Your brain remembers by retrieving information, not just seeing it. So ditch the highlighters. Pick up a pen and paper. Rewrite what you learn in your own words. Draw blood bank pathways, sketch comparisons, and explain processes out loud. The act of recalling information strengthens memory far more than reading alone. The second strategy is structured study sessions. Random late-night cramming doesn't work for an exam this advanced. You need consistent, focused blocks. Study early in the morning when your brain is clear. Go for longer, deeper sessions. For solid hours are better than two scattered ones. These longer blocks help you connect systems, compare methods, and think critically exactly what the exam demands. The third step in the best way to study for the SBB ASCP exam is regular practice testing. Don't wait until the last week. Start testing yourself as soon as you finish a topic. Use realistic exam-style questions. Check your mistakes, then retest. Track your progress. Aim for consistent scores of 85% or higher. That's the level where you know you're exam ready. Below that, you still have work to do. Here's a myth to avoid. Many candidates think memorization is enough. They try to cram every fact, every number, every procedure. But the exam doesn't just test recall. It tests your ability to apply knowledge to case-style problems. So focus on understanding. Learn why things happen, not just what happens. That's how you handle the unexpected questions. The fourth strategy is spaced repetition. Don't just study a topic once and move on. Return to it after a few days. Quiz yourself again. Rewrite notes again. Each repetition builds stronger memory pathways. Spacing your reviews is one of the best ways to ensure long-term retention. The fifth step in the best way to study for the SBB ASCP exam is brain and body care. Your brain won't perform if your body is exhausted. Get proper sleep every night. Go to bed before 11 p.m. in a dark, quiet room. This allows your brain to consolidate information. Fuel yourself with brain foods like eggs, salmon, nuts, broccoli, and dark chocolate. And cut refined sugar, it causes brain fog. Healthy habits multiply your study effectiveness. The sixth strategy is preparing with the right tools. Not all resources are equal. You need study materials that match the real exam format. Thousands of lab professionals worldwide have studied and passed with MLSIAcademy's complete system. It includes live expert classes, recorded lessons, detailed study guides, and QBanks with realistic exam questions. Students use these tools until they consistently score above 85%, then they book their exam with confidence. That's the proven path to success. So let's recap the best way to study for the SBB ASCP exam. Use active recall with pen and paper instead of passive reading. Plan structured study sessions with longer, focused blocks. Test yourself early and often with exam-style questions. Focus on understanding systems, not just memorization. Use spaced repetition to lock knowledge into long-term memory. Protect your brain with sleep, nutrition, and healthy habits. And use proven resources that mirror the actual exam. That's how you study for the SBB ASCP exam with confidence and strategy. Follow these steps, and you'll be far ahead of most candidates. Now, if you want to take your prep further, explore MLSIAcademy's complete study platform. It's designed to help you study smarter, not harder, and get exam ready faster. And in our next video, we'll unpack how to become SBB ASCP specialist in blood banking step by step. So hit subscribe or check the channel for that breakdown.
you.